Hello and welcome back to Master English Hub. This is day 2 of our 30 days spoken English course. Today we will learn how to introduce ourselves and talk about our daily routine. Ready? Let's begin. When you meet someone for the first time, it's important to introduce yourself clearly. Here are 3 simple steps to introduce yourself in English. Say your name. Hi, I am Sarah. Say where you are from. I am from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Say what you do. I am a student. I work in a bank. I am a YouTuber. Now let's talk about your daily routine using simple English sentences. I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work or school. I study English. I have lunch at 1 p.m. I come home at 6 p.m. I watch TV. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Let's practice together. I will ask questions. You answer them. What's your name? Pause for student to answer. Where are you from? What do you do? What time do you wake up? What do you do in the evening? Great job! Don't worry if you make mistakes. Just keep practicing. This was day 2 of our spoken English course. Today, you learned how to introduce yourself and talk about your daily routine. Practice these sentences every day. You will speak English fluently very soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Master English Hub for day 3 tomorrow. Keep learning, keep speaking.